I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the foundations are ready. Install the latest Pcsx2 and Visual C++ runtimes, because missing runtime files break plugins. Once done, plug your Xbox controller by USB or pair over Bluetooth so Windows lists it in devices. Make sure to update the controller firmware with the Xbox Accessories app if prompted. This prevents input quirks. Also, close other gamepad software that can hijack inputs. Now open Pcsx2 and move to the controller configuration panel to begin mapping. You now configure Pcsx2 input plugin. Go to Config, Controllers, and open plugin settings so you control every mapping. Select the X input plugin when using an Xbox controller because it matches button layout and rumble correctly. Pick the correct device from the list. Map face buttons, D-pad, analog sticks, and triggers clearly. Set dead zones to avoid drift. Once mapped, use the built-in tester to press and move controls. This verifies axis directions and vibration. Save the profile so you won't remap later. You finish by fine-tuning sensitivity, dead zones, and vibration to match original console feel. Small tweaks make analog steering and aiming smoother. If X input gives problems, try direct input or use an emulator wrapper to convert inputs. This can solve detection issues. Make sure to bind hotkeys and save the configuration as a named profile. If controls still misbehave, unplug, repair the controller, and disable background input software. This is the key troubleshooting step that fixes most conflicts and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.